Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be showing you how to make slowed and reverbed songs in one click. This is a technique used by many producers to create unique sounds and vibes. Choose the song you want to slow down and add reverb to. You can use any song you like, but make sure it's in MP3 format. Go to slowedreverb.com on your web browser. You'll see a button, Choose File. Click on it and select the MP3 file you want to edit. Once you've selected your file, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you can adjust the amount of slowing down and reverb you want to add to your song. The default settings are usually good enough. After that, click on the Create button at the bottom of the page. The website will process your file and create a new MP3 file with the slowed and reverbed effect. Once the processing is complete, you'll be able to download your new file by clicking the Download button. So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily make slowed and reverbed songs using Slowed Reverb. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.